Children, we are learning about Africa lesson. The last class we discussed about location and landscape of the Africa. Now we are going to learn about climate of Africa. Okay, how is the climate of Africa continent? This zone, this continent, Africa continent is this continent divides the equator. In the middle of that continent you have a map in your textbook. I will show you later that. The zone between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is the hottest region. The zone which is between Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer is the hottest region. Here no winter days. So this is called tropical region. There are no winter days. Because of that, this area is called tropical region. Here south and north zones experience summer and winter. So these are called temperate zones. South and north zones experience with summer and winter. These are called temperate zones. Okay, let us show you in textbook Africa continent outline map. See all of you. Here this is the equator passes through this continent, and this is the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. If you have textbook, open your textbook page number 60 and see the outline map of Africa. Next, regions with heavy rainfall. Which are the regions with heavy rainfall in this Africa continent? Large part of Africa, both sides of equator, large part of Africa, both sides of equator receives heavy rainfall. Both sides of equator, large part receives heavy rainfall. Where this part, they are in Central and Western Africa. Due to heavy rainfall, there are so many dense forests and warm climate. Because of that heavy rainfall, there are dense forests. Already we discussed in the last class. There are so many dense forests in Africa continent, and warm climate also because of that heavy rainfall. Okay, regions with moderate and scanty rainfall. This area surrounds the zone with heavy rainfall. This moderate and scanty rainfall region surrounds with the heavy rainfall zone. It rains here throughout the year in equatorial region. Where it rains throughout the year? In equatorial region, it rains throughout the year. Because of this moderate and scanty rainfall, grasses, tall grasses grow here. Because of moderate and scanty rainfall, tall grasses grow in this region. And so many tall grasses also grown in this region because of moderate and scanty rainfall. Some trees grow between them. Between the tall grasses, some trees grows. These are called savannas. These are called savannas. Some trees grows between the tall grasses. See here, map 3. This blue color indicates high rainfall, and this green color indicates medium rainfall. Open your textbook and see in your textbook there are maps given about rainfall and vegetation. This blue color indicates high rainfall and this green color indicates medium rainfall. Already we discussed about this moderate and scanty rainfall region surrounds with the heavy rainfall. This is medium rainfall, moderate and scanty rainfall. Scanty means low rainfall. This light brown color indicates low rainfall. These two parts surrounds with this heavy rainfall region. Natural vegetation. Observe this map. These are forests, equatorial forests, and broad leaves trees here given on the forests, broad leaf trees and grass. So these are called savannas. This grass and between them trees are called savannas. This color indicates soft grass of high plateau, and this is mountainous vegetation. On the mountainous there are some trees. This is called a desert, and this part is called a desert. Okay. Because of this moderate and scanty rainfall, there are different animals in Africa inhabited. So many animals living in this region. Very large part of Africa is dry part. Very large part of Africa is dry part. Why? Because scanty rainfall and sometimes no rainfall in some areas. In some areas no rainfall, in some areas scanty rainfall. Because of that, large part of Africa is dry. So there is a north part, one dry region which we discussed in the last class, that is a desert named Sahara Desert. What is the name of that desert? Sahara Desert. This is in north part. Thorny bushes, short grasses in some parts of desert. In some parts of desert area there are thorny bushes and grasses in some part of desert region. There is one more desert in south region, Kalahari Desert. It is called Kalahari Desert. Where is it? In south region. This is one more desert, Kalahari Desert. Okay, how many deserts we find in Africa? Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert. There are so many different animals inhabited in this region. Because of moderate and scanty rainfall, there are so many trees, dense forests are there. So there are so many animals inhabited in this region. Children, this is the climate and rainfall of the Africa continent.